little rivalry to show you a personal project of ours that we're working on.
Man. No, man. I've seen it before. I've seen it too. It's a Mitsubishi. That...
1996 Mitsubishi Eclipse. It's a car I wanted for a long time growing up, and finally found one from a friend of mine on Facebook.
When we got the car, it was covered in dirt and tree sap. But when we brought it home, we washed the car, and we even brought it to the car wash and pressure washed it.
When we got the car, we had to do a little bit of work under the hood. Give it some love. Come on over. Let me show you what we did. We did a complete radiator and transmission flush. We replaced the transmission mount and the motor mount. We also replaced the valve cover gasket, put new oil in there, full synthetic of course, and we even replaced the battery terminal.
We changed all the hoses. We changed the radiator hose, breathing tubes, and we even inspected the timing belt.
Well, that's about all we can show you for now. She's a work in progress, but follow us as we restore this baby back to her 90s glory.
Oh, wait. Don't forget to like, subscribe, hit the notification bell, and share us to other people.
Definitely.
Well, I guess our rivalry's back.
Rivalry?
Yep.
I guess you don't want any donuts then, huh?